Cendawan's the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang, the show where I show you me eating spicy stuff and you just kind of like sit there, you kind of lay there and I don't know if you drool a little bit or have some like, I don't know, I really just don't know what you're doing while you're watching this. Maybe you're eating something else, maybe you're eating the same thing, maybe you just ate the same thing, I don't know, but thank you for watching. What do I have? Well, I've got ghost pepper, Daging Cendawan Pedas. Pedas. That means spicy. And this is from Mamee Monster, collaboration with Daekbak. And yeah. It's gonna be brutal. If you want to watch how I created this bowl, you can look at the last episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang, or no, Instant Noodle Recipe Time, which I believe will have come out maybe like October 1st. I don't know. Right now it's July 6th, and it's my me and my wife's 11-year wedding anniversary. I'm pretty thrilled about that. A lot of ups, a lot of downs, but hey. My standard slurp to make sure I don't get the hiccups. Oh, I need some help from small children. Let me get this all ready to go. I think this garnish sachet was supposed to go in, but I guess we'll see what happens. Hey, I need you guys' help! Help! Miles, Mamee! Where's Miles? Say, come on, Miles! There he is. Alright, come here. Closer. Closer! Alright. Can I get a ready, set, go?
Ready.
I want both of you guys at the same time, really loud. Ready, set, go.
Ready, set, go.
Okay. Okay. Initial has a strong heat and a very strong mushroom flavor. For those of you who enjoy mushroom, you're in for a treat because this tastes very strong of mushrooms. For those who really don't like mushrooms all that much, you are not in for a treat. You're in for an enduro challenge of mushroominess. This is a toughie. This one's got kick. seem to have the same size of that little spice sachet, so I don't know. Is this thing still recording? Yeah. I can't see. Enough of this. I'm the Ramen Raider. The broth is still just like boiling hot. Wow. This is really hot. Done. Woo-wee. Oh my God. Woo! Excuse me. Well, I've done it. And clearly it has done me. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. If you want to have your clock cleaned out, this one will do it to you. Have a good one. Bye.